Ready to stop scrolling endlessly and start finding the perfect Upwork jobs for your skills? In this video, I'll show you how to master the Upwork search function to quickly find relevant job listings. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Knowing how to search effectively on Upwork is like having a superpower. It saves you time and helps you discover opportunities that others might miss. Let's turn you into a search expert. First, locate the main search bar at the top of your Find Work page. This is your starting point for all job searches. Instead of typing generic terms, use specific keywords that match your exact skills and services. Try using quotation marks for exact phrases. For example, searching for social media manager in quotes will show you jobs that include that exact phrase, rather than jobs that just contain any of those words separately. This helps you find more relevant matches. Combine your keywords with filters for better results. After you type your search term, click Filters to narrow down opportunities by category, job type, client history, and budget range. This helps you avoid sifting through irrelevant postings. A crucial pro tip: save your best search combinations. Once you've set up filters that work well for you, click Save Search near the search results. This lets you quickly access tailored job lists without re-entering your preferences every time. Don't forget to sort your results strategically. You can organize jobs by relevance, newest first, or client spending history. If you're actively looking, newest first ensures you're among the first to apply to fresh postings. And just like that, you've transformed from a passive scroller to an active job hunter. Effective searching puts you in control of your Upwork experience. If this search tutorial saved you time, please give it a like. What's your go-to search combination? Share your favorite keyword and filter pairings in the comments below. To take your search skills to the next level, subscribe for our next video on how to use filters on Upwork search. Thanks for watching.